Today, we're talking about Google Workspace, Cloud Functions, and the Google Maps platform. I'm Reto Meier, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news from the safety of home. Introducing Google Workspace, everything you need to get anything done now in one place. Google Workspace includes all of our productivity apps like Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, now with three main upgrades. First, a new, deeply integrated user experience that helps teams collaborate more effectively. Second, a new brand identity that reflects the way our products work together. And third, new ways to get started with solutions and price points tailored to the unique needs of our broad range of customers. Cloud Functions recently leveled up, now supporting new runtimes, new regions, and fine-grained security controls. There's also new support for local development with the Functions framework, an upgraded code editor in the Cloud Console, and more ways to control your costs. It's a long list of new features and services, so be sure to check out the blog post for a full recap. 2020 has certainly been a year of unexpected challenges, and the upcoming holiday shopping season will likely see a few more. With the increased focus on contactless shopping and order pickup, it's a good time to focus on the omni-channel shopping experience. To help, the Google Maps platform has two retail solutions, Store Locator Plus and Checkout, and this blog covers how you can leverage these services to drive conversions. Season 3 of Seasons of Scale kicked off with Carter Morgan explaining how to break apps into independent services and aim for a stateless cloud solution. So be sure to check out the video to follow along as Critter Junction choose which monolithic apps should be refactored into microservices, and how stateless services made that easier. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.